It's going to be a porta potty review here at Emerald Isle, North Carolina. This is a new home being constructed, and just started getting the pylons in for this. This is off Deerhorn Street, and that's Coast Guard Road out there. Possibly can see the Atlantic Ocean down the road here off Deerhorn, but that would be the Atlantic Ocean beyond that blue house, if you can see it. Got a Blue Site Solutions here, Deerhorn Drive. This is the corner of Doe Drive. There's people working in here. Let's go inside and check this construction site porta potty out here. Oh boy, really smells bad here. Late January, got a lot of breeze here today. Oh, these are really old looking service records here. Don't think anything's current. No toilet paper in the hanger, it's all out. Got a ventilated floor. There's a partial roll of toilet paper. Very cool today. It's like that hinge is busted off. Let's check the toilet out here. And it's definitely been used. Wow. High smell of urine in here. Ooh, made it even worse. That's our vent pipe. And they got a roll of toilet paper, but not in the hanger. Busted door. Let's go outside and check it out. Bike riding today. It's like they just probably put this out here. Something didn't look right with that door. It's not in there very well. Not too bad, all in all. I give this almost a high medium. Thumbs up. Door's broken on it. Smells really bad, like urine. Go over here and just kind of check this construction site out. See if we can come back and do a re-review on this later. They just started on this site. And they've poured part of the foundation here, looks like. Not much to see yet. It's really neat to see them put these pylons in and how they do it, with a crane just kind of pounding on the top, trying to keep them straight at the same time. Got our lot number, job number on this work site. And this is a new construction site, porta potty review here on Deerhorn Drive, corner of Doe Drive, and that's Coast Guard Road out there. Thanks so much for watching.